While shopping online or offline, we get a lot of loyalty points. While only a few of us are actually able to redeem them, for most of us, the loyalty points gets expired. This is mainly because most of us do not know where are these loyalty points spread across and when are they getting expired. In today's video, we are going to cover a project which actually solves this problem and gets all our loyalty points at one place. This project is DragonBite. So stay tuned to today's video and find out what exactly is DragonBite, what are the problems it is solving, and more importantly, what is the value it is adding to the ecosystem.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and we release new videos every day. Also, if you'd like to discuss about cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram and join our family. The link is given in the description below. So let's jump on to today's video and find out more details about DragonBite. Let's first understand what is DragonBite. DragonBite is a disruptive loyalty ecosystem with decentralized governance that allows members to convert their reward points to digital assets, including points, coupons, and cryptocurrencies. DragonBite leverages the latest blockchain technology, which connects one member with excess rewards to another member who wants more. Now let's understand what is the problems that DragonBite is trying to solve. So there are essentially 4 problems which we have identified that DragonBite is trying to solve. And the number 1 problem is basically the problem which we all face. Points get expired without we knowing them. So all of us actually get points when we shop online or offline. But each of these retailers actually distribute points in their own plastic cards or through an e-account into their wallet. But for most of us, we do not keep a track of the loyalty points, resulting in most of it getting expired. DragonBite aggregates all the reward points from many accounts for the members, so we can easily aggregate these digital assets and manage those in one app. We could also exchange them freely or convert them to byte tokens, which is the native token for the DragonBite. The next problem that DragonBite is trying to solve is the slow adoption for the cryptocurrency by the mainstream masses. Now, as we all know, cryptocurrency has a very small adoption across the masses. There might be a lot of hype across Bitcoin and some other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, but the fact is only 5% of the world's population actually have access to cryptocurrencies. DragonBite actually aims to increase the adoption of these cryptocurrencies via the loyalty points industry. How are they planning to do so? So we have our loyalty points stuck on our phones. Now, if we want to exchange our loyalty points for some cryptocurrencies, which in this case could be the byte tokens, we would actually get exposed to the cryptocurrency world, and in turn the interest for the crypto world would be increased. Now the third problem is a very unique one which DragonBite tries to solve. In the gaming industry, there are a lot of digital assets, but the true value for them are still locked. Imagine if a player is playing a game and he wants to sell off a certain digital weapon. For that, he will have to reach out directly to the buyers or directly publish the advertisement in a dashboard. Now, this reach is very small, and this often leads to a deep discounts in the prices for these digital assets. Now, through DragonBite, people will actually be able to unlock the value of the gaming assets. Eventually, DragonBite will allow byte points as the common currency that would run across gaming platforms. DragonBite will allow these digital assets turned into NFTs through partnerships, allowing the player to obtain the true ownership of his weapon, and with it capturing the value of that virtual asset as he or she can trade it freely in the NFT auction marketplace. Now, one of the other problems that DragonBite is trying to solve is a lack of new investors for the new token offerings in the cryptocurrency space. Now, imagine if you want to convert your idle air miles into cryptocurrencies. That would actually be very helpful, because if you are not flying anywhere, you can actually exchange them or sell them off to a person who would be willing to do that. And how you can do that? You can do that by using the DragonBite application, and in return you will be exposed to the cryptocurrencies. Since DragonBite has a licensed payment gateway, members could also purchase vouchers of DeFi products or participate in the token generation event for the companies in the cryptocurrency space. Now let's take a quick look on the ecosystem at DragonBite. Now DragonBite will have a dual token mechanism. So one of the tokens will be the Byte token. So the Byte token will be used as an incentive token for the DragonBite ecosystem, and it will have a limited to a certain fixed amount of supply. Byte tokens will be rewarded to all the activities in the DragonBite ecosystem. Such activities include buying, selling, customer-to-customer trading, converting, and sending. Byte will also be publicly tradable asset. Business activities will be charged with Byte into the DragonBite ecosystem and distribute to the users through the activities. Also, Byte can be stored in the ecosystem as stake to earn more Byte coins. Now, the second component is the Byte point. The Byte point will serve as a medium of exchange between digital assets. Digital assets include loyalty points, e-vouchers, game assets, NFTs, and any assets on the DragonBite ecosystem. Each digital asset will be given a market value using the Byte point. Now, the important factor is the coin value will be relatively stable, similar to what we have in the USDT. This will assure that the exchange rate between different tokens will not be too volatile. The Byte point will be pegged on a 1:1 ratio with the US dollar. Now let's take a quick look as to where these all could be used. So Byte point can be used in more than 50,000 plus merchants and partners. Some of the renowned ones are Starbucks, Burger King, McDonald's, JD.com, Vanguard, DMOP, and the list continues. Now let's take a quick look on the roadmap that is there for the DragonBite. So DragonBite, unlike many cryptocurrencies, has been in plan since more than 3 years now. In 2018, the first prototype was designed and the patent was filed. Also in 2019 and 20, there were certain asset converting metrics and the white paper was released. More importantly, in 2019-20, DragonBite became the reseller of Steam, Google Play, and Apple gift cards, and also they partnered with ABCC. In the Q1 of 2021, there was a technical audit and the private round token sales took place, as well as the partnership with Rio DeFi took place. In 2021 Q2, the IDO, which is planned for today on Uniswap, will be happening, as well as the launch of the DragonBite app will take place. In the Q3 of 2021, there will be certain integration with other loyalty programs such as Asia Miles, Chris Flyers, and so on. Also, the migration to Rio chain will also take place during the Q3 of 2021. Now let's take a quick look on the tokenomics at DragonBite. There will be a total of 1 billion Byte tokens in the circulation supply. Now let us take a quick look on how these tokens will be distributed. So 32.5% will be distributed in the ecosystem, 10% will be given to partners, 5% to promotion, 5% for referrals, 5% for reserves, 5% for future strategic sales, 20% in the token sale, and 17.5% for the team and advisors. Now let's take a quick look as to how the money raised through these token sales will be utilized. So 30% of the total fundraise will be used for the software development, 25% will be used for marketing, 15% for operations, 15% for the purchase of loyalty points, and 15% will be used as a fees for listing in different exchanges and market making. Now let's take a quick look on the team that is involved in DragonBite. Michael Kostash is the CEO of DragonBite, Ilvan Yao is the COO, and Peter Chan is the CTO. for DragonBite. Now let's take a quick look on the LinkedIn profiles of these individuals and find out about their background. So this is the LinkedIn profile for Michael Kostash, who is the CEO of DragonBite. So prior to this, he has worked as an advisor for SPO Software, and he has also worked as a regional director. So SPO Software is into the blockchain ecosystem. Prior to that, he started El Grocer, which is an online grocery delivery service. So he has been involved in the internet business for more than 7 to 8 years now. Now let's take a quick look on the profile of Peter Chan, who is the CTO. So Peter Chan is the CTO. Prior to DragonBite, he has worked with Asia Top Loyalty as the CIO and the application architecture consultant. So he comes with a background from the loyalty industry and has been involved in the industry for more than 10 years. Now let's take a quick look on the profile of Elvin Yao, who is the COO. Prior to this, he has worked with Stepnal Asia as a director, and in 2017, he co-founded CryptoTotal.io, which is a payment infrastructure for cryptocurrencies. So, as we can see, the team is very well versed into the crypto space as well as into the loyalty space, which is where they will be working. The team seems trustworthy to me. Now, let's take a quick look on the token generation events that are planned for DragonBite. Token generation event on Zendit is completed. It was done on 3rd of June. For PokerBridge, it will be done in the next 20 minutes as I am recording this video. By the time you are watching this video, the PokerBridge IDO would be done. DuckDAO will also go live in the 20 minutes. And the more importantly, the biggest of them all, DragonBite will list on Uniswap in about 2 hours and 20 minutes from the time I'm recording this video, and by the time you are watching this, it would be much lesser time to go for that. So how can you actually buy DragonBite? If you are interested, you can go to Uniswap and you can search for Byte tokens and you can exchange on Uniswap. Mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You need to do your own research before doing the investment. So that's pretty much it about this video of DragonBite. Do let me know how do you feel about this project. I personally feel this is a great project and it is solving a deep problem in the industry, and I feel with the partnerships that it has and the team that it has, DragonBite might be one of the leading players in the loyalty program space in the years to come. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also smash the like button, and also do let me know in the comments below which are the other projects that you would like us to cover in our future videos. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.